Car products that don't suck. This is probably the best wipe, and I've tried so many. I tried about 10 different kinds that actually stay slippery and repel dust. The ceramic coating is awesome. Now, any Meguiar's product, you can't go wrong. They're expensive, but they're good. They've been in business a long time. Now I'm going to show you the best shampoo. The absolute best shampoo is not Mother's, it's not Meguiar's. And I've tried probably 25, 30 different shampoos over the years. And I'll show you, this product right here is a game changer. 2 or 3 washes with this over the period of a month, and you're gonna have the most awesome beading action. And it sticks, it stays. It's recommended to wash with it every other car wash, and it will stay there for a very long time and offer awesome protection for your vehicle. It's like $20, and a little goes a long way. You don't need very much of that at all. And then you need a wash mitt, so you need something like this for your washing, so you don't scratch or create spider marks in the clear coat. These are very good. You can get them from the dollar store too. But that's my recommendation. Super Clean's great for the engine bay, detailing the engine. This is an awesome product. Any hybrid solutions with ceramic in it, it's great for the interior. They have one for interior. I think this one's for exterior. But this is like a concentrated version of their wash. Their wash is really all you need for a car wash. Guaranteed. Best product I've found in like 10 years. Trying to see if there's anything else here that's left. For wax, what do they got for wax? Meguiar's probably would be my go-to. Mother's also is highly rated for waxes. Even Armor All's got a ceramic-based wax out now in a car wash. Oh yeah, this is the one for the interior with graphene spray coating. Oh, Tire Shine. They have one for the interior too, which is similar to similar to this actually. It's a ceramic spray, and either one works well. It's just that the wipes are not like optimal if you're doing like large areas. Just trying to think, where's graphene? That's the Tire Shine. Anyways, it comes in a bottle like that, and it's for the interior. Just keep your eyes out for the hybrid solutions. Any of those products is game changing. Like in the automotive industry, there's hundreds and hundreds of products that come out, and I can tell you, I've tried so many, and that a lot of them are very close in performance. When you get into the hybrid solutions, the price versus performance is just staggering. Thanks for watching.